only one person is awake. Ahorita.
Just barely.
Just barely. My music has that effect on people, of course.
No.
But some of you are trying again and again to build up resilience, of course. I know you'll be there every show, of course. Bueno, amigos, are we thinking about putting my ofrenda, my photo of on your ofrenda en Dia de los Muertos? Always, yeah? Okay, so you know what Dia de los Muertos is? How to celebrate it. You guys make pan dulces, conchas. What was that, amigo? Pan de muerto. I know where your head is at. You kept it screwed on tight this time. I have a neighbor from the Tierra de los Muertos. You dress so modestly. You didn't want to show me up, amigo. You forgot your pantalones. Hola, amiguitas. Hormiguitas. Oh, a couple of spiders. Ay. Yes, it is always time for photos. You're taking so many photos, you're making a movie. A cinematic masterpiece, of course. You're proud of that, amigo. He said his girlfriends love me. You have multiple girlfriends. He learned from the best. Although I don't think you broke as many hearts as I have. You get used to it, being as great as I. But I'm preparing for my Sunrise Spectacular, constantly talking to people. They barely leave me alone. You know what it feels like, amigo, to be with everyone who supports you. Every day, cada día. Everyone looking after your dreams, of course. That's why I'm dedicating this to my best friend, Hector. Yes, when I first met Hector on the side and the streets of Plaza de la Cruz, I was wondering what he was up to. I'm sure he was looking for comida instead of greatness. This reminds me of when I was in Mariachi Plaza in Santa Cecilia, one of my earliest shows. I needed a guitarra quick, and I borrowed it from the sleepy mariachi who could not do it anymore. Shall I show you how I played this song?
Yeah.
Wake up, amigos! Eso!
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I can be. Until you're in my arms again, remember me. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me.
Un aplauso fuerte. A big applause for a wonderful show, of course. Un aplauso por ustedes. What about for you? You should cheer yourselves on. Don't expect your friends to support you always. Hola, amiga. You are a neighbor of the Tierra de los Muertos. You're in the area. So you've seen my tower. I see you have your eye on it. Oh, is that why you match sweaters with him? You're looking for a boy, a little boy with a red sweater. He's your friend. Ay, amigo, I like him when he was De La Crucito. Are you the one telling him lies? Ay, ay, ay. He wants to be like me. He told me himself. He watched all my movies in his attic. His familia hated music. Ay. But he learned everything he knows from me, of course. Hopefully you're not there to change his ways.
I have to, especially if there's some monsters.
Oh, maybe you're there to protect me también. Maybe. You might have a change of heart. But we shall see, amigo. I look forward to it. I do all of my own stunts, so be prepared.
Ernesto, amigo mío.
No más soy tu amigo. I'm only your friend. Ay, ay, ay. The world is mi familia, of course. That's what I mean. I'm married to my music. No ring, I know. But don't be sad, of course. That's why I made a lot of movies, so you can share. But you haven't seen any of them. You're probably driving too fast. Tengo un amigo, Ramon. He gets to my parties quick.
That makes sense. Escuché que eras un tramposito.
No le crees. Don't believe the lies. She's telling me that she heard the chisme, all the rumors about me, the drama. Well, you haven't heard that I like perritos. That's the real drama. I never have enough space for them. All my chihuahuas go everywhere, laying all over my stuff. See, they smell the chihuahua hair on me. Ay, ay, ay.
Bueno, te creo.
Están tratando. Ay, don't bark during the song. You have a lot of smiles on your shirt, amigo.
Yeah. Perfect night.
Perfect night for smiling. You have ants in your pants, or you're just happy to see me. Well, those are actual bugs. Ay, ay, ay.
My arms again.
Let's echo song.
Gracias, familia. Gracias.
Together.
Hey, let's ready for half of the the song that El Presidente helped me with. Yay! Presidente, yay! Okay. Been a long time since I've been to the Estados Unidos, but now that I'm here, you seem to be doing a good job. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. You know, what a nice guy, this guy. Hey. Hey, cállense. Senorita, that shirt that you have on, it's a little offensive. Why did you choose to wear Miguelito to my concert? Are you poor? Ay. I could tell. There was yes, they're passing by you, and everyone passing by you went like this. It's the only shirt she has, leave it alone. It's things she hasn't washed yet. She washes on Fridays, okay? Hey, get on that, okay? You're kind of stinky. Well, thank you. And I heard something over here from you, senor?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I said, aren't you the one who stole a song though?
No. Did you not know that me and Hector sang these songs a lot together? And I only sing the songs in his honor now that he passed. Well, yes, now that I think about it, I passed too, so... Hey! Every time I invite him to my sunrise spectacular, he never shows up.
But wasn't it your dream?
Sundo, I'm so sorry everyone. My guitar is a little out of tune after that last performance. I have to go fix it really quick. But I will be back, okay? In the meantime, recuérdame. And I will... Yeah, I'll remember you.
Yeah, what if you...